The wort filtration process mainly includes 7 processes. Enter hot water, mash, quiescence, turbid wort reflux, first wort filtration, grain washing and draining. 1. Hot water entering. Before the mash is pumped into the lauter tank, it is necessary to check whether the lauter tank is in normal condition. First, clean the filter sieve plate, lay it well, and press it tightly. Then check whether the raker blade is in the normal position. Check the open and closed state of the pipeline valve connected to the lauter tank. At the same time, the drain man door of the lauter tank should be closed. Ensure that the temperature of the mash remains unchanged. After the inspection is completed, inject hot water at about 78 degrees Celsius at the bottom until the filter plate just disappears. 1 is to discharge the air between the filter plate and the bottom of the tank to prevent the oxidation of the wort. The second is to preheat the sieve plate and filter tank to ensure the normal operation of wort filtration. 2. Mash entering. The saccharification mash needs to be stirred while being pumped into the filter tank quickly. When the mash pump is nearing the end, turn on the plow knife several times. Make the distiller's grains evenly distributed to form a better filter layer and improve the quality of wort filtration. Since it is easy to absorb oxygen during pouring the mash, it is better to enter the mash from the bottom of the lauter tank in principle. 3. Quiescence. After the mash is pumped into the filter tank, it needs to stand for about 20 minutes. The wheat husk will settle quickly to form a 25 to 40 centimeters thick layer of wheat grains. Mainly form 3 filter layers. The bottom layer, composed of coarse grains and heavy grains. Main layer, composed of spent grains, the thickest layer in natural medium for wort filtration. The upper layer, composed of protein and light particles such as fine husk crumbs separated out of the mash. This layer is thinner. The first wort is gathered on the upper part of the grain layer. This shows that the quiescence process is essential. 4. Wort backflow. Clear and transparent wort contains a small amount of fatty acids. The content of fatty acids in turbid wort will be more than 10 times that of clear wort. If too much turbid wort enters the filtered wort, it will cause problems such as increased fatty acid of wort, increased iodine value, poor protein flocculation, and unreasonable composition of wort. It has adverse effects on the foam and flavor of beer, and it is easy to cause abnormal fermentation. At the beginning of filtration, turbid wort reflux operation must be carried out. Improve the clarity of wort and prevent the occurrence of the above problems. The content of the previous issue about the wort filtration process has been known, so stay tuned for the next issue.